Guys, today's an exciting day. We're going lemonade hunting today. We're gonna try every single variation of lemonade known to mankind and see which one's the best. Usually when I do these kinds of evaluations, I have a bunch of different criteria on what I base it off of. For this one, I think we're just gonna do taste. I'm not gonna do appearance. This isn't a beauty contest. I mean, they're all gonna come out the other way in the end the same way, so not like it matters. And I don't think I'm gonna factor price just because it might vary from different regions, and I don't think it's a big deal in this case. All right, so first of all, we're gonna go to Tap and Barrel. This was the place that won the dessert contest last year. We're just gonna get the regular lemonade just to establish the baseline. Hi. Good. Can I have a lemonade for today? Yeah. I drank lemonade since I was 5 years old. OG lemonade will always have a place near and dear to my heart. It's just so much nostalgia. I'm giving it an A-. This is going to be pretty hard to beat. But I am interested to see how our other variations will compare today. Look at this, guys. There's frost on the ground. It hasn't snowed all year in my area, so I'm thinking it might snow in the next 3 days. All right, so the next place we're going to is White Spot. We're gonna try their strawberry lemonade and their strawberry mango lemonade. So let's see how that fares. Oh my God, look at all this poop. What? Did these birds eat like too much spicy chipotle or something? Oh, this is gonna be like walking through a minefield. I'm gonna try not to touch any of these. Woo. Woo. Oh, I stepped on one. Game over. Hey. Good. I'll have the, I'm doing a lemonade comparison. I want to try both the strawberry mango lemonade and the strawberry lemonade.
Do you want to start with strawberry mango and I'll get you strawberry regular later? Which one do you want to start with now?
Same price. I'll have the strawberry lemonade first, regular, and then the strawberry mango lemonade. The order you bring actually doesn't matter.
Okay, I'll just make sure you know which is which.
All right, this is the strawberry lemonade. Let's give this an evaluation. It's more strawberry forward than anything. I don't really taste any lemon. I don't know, this is disappointing because if I have a strawberry drink, I would expect it to have more flavors since the title is like that, but it didn't deliver, unfortunately. I'm gonna dock this all the way down to a C. I think that if I wanted a strawberry drink, I would just get a strawberry drink. Stick to the regular lemonade and save your money. All right, so this is the strawberry mango. Let's hope this one will do better. Looks like orange juice, first impressions. Cheers. Same kind of problem as before. Well, not problem, but again, the lemonade is completely masked. I can't taste it at all. It's good for a mango beverage. I guess I get a hint of strawberry, but if anything, when I mix the mango and the strawberry, it almost starts to taste a bit like orange juice, which in the past, I'm not the biggest fan of. I can see where they're going. Like, strawberry and mango is a nice blend, but I'm gonna have to give this a C+. Not that much better. Oh wow, it's already getting dark. We're not even close to being done yet. No, 5 more lemonades to try. Next, we're going to go to Cactus Club. They have this thing called the Sicilian lemonade. I'm very excited to try it. Let's see. Wow, the days are getting brighter now. It's like 5 o'clock and it's not even completely dark yet. Thanks, yeah. Actually, Charles, I changed my mind. Can I have the lemonade today? We got the Sicilian lemonade here. Let's give it a shot. Interesting. This is interesting. It's carbonated, it's less sweet. I get a few notes of grapefruit, which is interesting. It's definitely more versatile compared to regular lemonade. I actually like it more. I'm gonna give this an A. Hey, Charles, can I also get the Brazilian lemonade too?
Yeah.
Thanks. So I just realized that Cactus Club also has the Brazilian lemonade, so I had to get it. It's way too curious. I didn't get a chance to read the description, but I saw the words pina colada in there, so I'm excited. Apparently it's supposed to taste like a key lime pie. Give this a mix.
It's so bad. She's not holding it out.
Okay. This does not taste like a key lime pie exactly, but it is very close. I get the pina colada, first of all, for sure. And I think I taste a bit of milk in there. It's like a bit of creaminess. That's just really intriguing. This is worth $12. I'm giving this an A+, but as a one and done. Well, just realized Egg Bomb is closed, so we can't try these two places. They're open Mondays to Sundays, 9 to 5, but I work 9 to 5 Mondays to Fridays, and I can't make it next Saturday because I have an event. I don't feel like waiting 2 weeks just to edit this video. It's a shame. It's a really damn shame because I've never tried the blue lemonade before in my life, and I knew that the ginger lemonade was going to be a strong contender for this video. It would have gotten at least an A-, so yeah, it sucks, but I think we're just going to carry on here. So the last lemonade we're going to try is called Lemon Cordial. Reportedly, this is better than lemonade. The only problem is I don't know a particular store or restaurant that has lemon cordial, so I had to copy off a recipe on YouTube on how to make this. So we're gonna go buy the ingredients and we're gonna make it at home. So I'll see you there.
This is lemon cordial, and I really don't understand why it's not more popular here in the States. I saw my buddy Robbie Bell just made this. This is his recipe. Cordial's just a concentrated liquid, could be made from fruit, could be made from berries. It's super easy to make. Now let's go! First step, just wash and then zest your lemons and make sure to save all that leftover zest. Now just take your lemons and simmer them in water for 1 minute, remove them, and then save that water. Now simply just slice all your lemons in half and juice them. Next step, we're gonna take sugar and add that lemon water to it. Add in the zest from all your lemons and bring that to a simmer. Now add all your lemon juice and bring back to a simmer. One final pass through a fine mesh strainer and your cordial is done. Then
Alright guys, it's officially been the next day. My lemon cordial is ready. Let's take it out and give it a taste. Give it a taste. Cheers. It tastes a little similar to Sicilian lemonade, but not quite there yet. It's weird. I actually do get the lemon zest from it. It's crazy. I would say for sure this is like better than regular lemonade. Yeah, the zest just lifts it. I'm giving this an A. The best winner by far was the Brazilian lemonade. That was truly an out-of-body experience. It was almost like I was drinking a key lime pie. I'd love to stay, but for now, I gotta jump. I'll see you guys on the other side of the bridge. Catch you next time.
I'll be the best escape in between. I'll be the first to